Hey everybody, welcome to my booth. I'm Jay. We're wrapping up the demo tutorial series here, and we're going to talk about how to compile the demos and how to structure them so that they're engaging all the way through. Let's get into it. So when you're putting everything together, here's how I structure the demo, more or less. The first spot in your demo should be as close to you as you can get. The color that you think of that is just me in general is the one that you want to go first. It's an introduction. Hey, I'm here. This is me. Then the next spot, I like to go to what I would term a complementary color. If your first spot is blue, go for an orange one or something like that. Something that's different in tone, different in context, different in pacing, so that you can show, I can do this, this is me, hello, hi, and here's another extreme range of mine. The third spot, I jump back to the other end. So maybe I go from me at my baseline to a sort of wacky, maybe a sarcastic script. And then the next one might be a somber, more emotional and real script. The next one might be a little bit more back to normal. And then the third one might be just sort of a kind, smiling thing to close things out. In terms of timing, the first one can be 10 to 15 seconds maximum. The next one should be pretty short, maybe 7 to 10 seconds. Same with the third, and then the rest of them, just fill in as you can go with timing therein, the rest of the time you have available. Cap the full demo at about a minute long. No more, no less, and you should be good to go. Then, once you've comped everything together, render it all out and listen to it on a few different devices. The reason why is sometimes your casting people, the agents you'll be talking to, they'll be listening on different types of things. So listen to your demo on your phone, listen to it on your computer, listen to it on your headphones, etc., in your car, and just make sure that it all sounds, okay, and there's not anything that you're missing in any big way. And you can go back and make adjustments here and there. If one bit's too loud, one bit's too quiet, two bits are competing with each other, listening on different devices gives you a bit more context. And there you go. You've got a full demo for yourself that you made on your own. Congratulations. If you think I've missed anything or you wish that I would have talked more about something in particular, let me know down below and I'd be happy to expand on it in additional videos down the line. Until the next one of these, be well everybody, good luck making your demos, and I'll see you there. Toodles.